now it really does remind me of when a hurricane came through. Look at this, holy crap. That's a big one. Get video, baby. While this is trees down across the road here. Get my toe strap out and snatch a bunch of these out of the way. But I'm going to leave that up to the county because the power lines, you never know. Yep.
So much for that tree service you paid so much money for. I don't think they're doing it now.
We are. Here we got 4x4. What's wrong with you?
Sure did. Well, we didn't have to get around that I know.
Oh, we did. We went through the dirt, but we did. Yep. I built the bag because everybody was driving on that lady's land, but we really didn't have no choice. We wanted to get through anyways. Tree leaning out there. Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's why I say that tree company, they should have took that down.
Yeah, they had so much work to do, man. It'll be years that kind of stuff's going to be falling. That's it is, ain't it? Yep, that's going to be in the road before long. And that wasn't that way. You and me both. Yep, move the tree down. Great. Got bad this one. Looks like there's more up there too. I gotta look for lines as well though. I'm not going through it. Just do it slow. See, I can pull that kind of stuff out of the way, but if I damage anything, I'll be held responsible for it.
Yeah, I would say this is the path that the tornado took.
Yep. Come on, fella. There you go. This motherfucker's gonna get out on the hill and do this for real. Come on now. There you go. Only if we can get around that one, probably can't. Get my strap out, pull that out of the way. What do you think? There ain't no maybe. Yeah, I can pull that out of the way. There's a couple of them there. Huh?
They're going to come right up on your ass.
All right. bunch of trees we just passed. There's more right here. I probably should have dragged that stuff off the road too, but see if we get emergency brake right here. Crash it down the road. Whew. Chinese place can't catch brakes. They throw their sign over and throw their sign down, and what the hell? Boy, that shit's about to go up another $5. What was it? A wreck? Oh yeah. Yeah, see the front end damage on the car. It must have hit that shit as it was falling. He just had that fixed a while back. Poor John. We'll be nosing video at the same time. And they had it bad when the damn hurt. God dang. Alright, well, nope, I could yank those out of the way, but I ain't going to. Go back. Trees taken down.